should you really buy Palantir stock just before November 4th? Because we got less than a week when Palantir is going to release their earnings. But we'll take a very close look where Palantir is heading, and Palantir is trading right below $45, and we will see where is the next stop for Palantir. So first, I'm going to tell you, don't miss the chance out for Palantir. If you are a big fan of Palantir and you have less money in your trading account, Palantir can be a very good choice, even for the long term, even for the mid-range swing stocks, swing trade, sorry. So the same happened in 2010. People were really skeptical that should we invest in Amazon or not. So people who invested $1,000 in 2010 in Amazon, they ended with $21,000 in today's year, like 2024. And the same happened with Apple in 2008 when the Apple was really crashing down and people were really so doubtful that should we invest in Apple, $1,000. So people who invested in Apple and they ended up with $44,000 today. That's around like roughly 16 years. That's a lot of time. In 16 years, $44,000. I mean, your $1,000 turned into $44,000. That's a pretty big jump. I'm only talking about the small number. So now when we take a close look, the stock like Palantir, we can compare this to Netflix. In 2004, Netflix, whoever invested $1,000 in Netflix in 2004, they ended with $403,000 in 2024. So that's been crazy, right? Almost like around 20 years. So people who invested $1,000 in Netflix, they got now almost $500,000. So now you can take your position, even if you have like few thousands of dollars, and if you want to invest and forget about that, you can take Palantir stock and just leave it on the side and just let it grow probably in 10 years, because now this era is different. Probably you're not going to end up with $50,000 or $60,000 after 10 years, but you're going to end up with more because the money is flowing more in the stock market than ever before. You got to remember this. In 2008, 2010, 2004, the money was not flowing so much. Like it was not worth, the companies were not really worth of trillions of dollars. As for now, almost all the top companies, they are touching the mark of $1 trillion. So that is incredible, right? Now Palantir touched $100 billion. That's a massive achievement for Palantir. So I think I will invest more and more in Palantir because I don't want to lose this chance. Probably I might go around like for 2030, and that is 6 years from now, and that's a pretty solid range for Palantir because the money is flowing a lot in the market. Don't miss this chance. Invest more and more in Palantir for the long term and just let it on the side. And for the swing trade, I think even if you enter now, $60 is a pretty safe range for you to get out if you're just trying to get in a swing trade. So for more, you have the link down in the description, and you can join the Patreon, and in there we carry out the trades, day trades, swing trades, and even long terms, and you can make money consistently every single day. And if you want, you can join the YouTube membership also for you to have separate videos only for you. So guys, double down your stake if you want in Palantir. I think this is a very good choice because the stock is right under $50. It's very, very cheap. So people who are really struggling, who don't have a lot of money, this can be it. Palantir can be your choice, and that can make you even a millionaire if you just move it right and if you have a right time to sell. But I hope so. Palantir will cross that $400 mark within few years. That's highly possible. So that should be sitting around like $500 to $600 billion in market cap for Palantir, and that is highly possible because now the generation is moving towards AI, and Palantir is just moving towards that. And as they will get more contracts, more deals, Palantir will be on the top of the game. So you never want to miss the chance. Take a chance and see. You will not regret. Palantir is one of the best stock you can hold in your portfolio after Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Meta, or Tesla, or Nvidia. So Palantir, it can be the best stock for your portfolio if you're really trying to look for a home run in the long range. In the long term, so Palantir can be it. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, so I'll make more and more videos for you guys so you can be guided in the trading. It's not a financial advice, it's only for education purpose only. Thank you. See you next time.